this government of humanity. Beseech you to look upon the abundant will.
The lady who was crying, but we have been hearing this for so long, Right Honorable Speaker. The lady was crying that she has been taken hostage with the names of Nandaula Stella, that she's being kept in the home of a person called Brian Chirumira, known as Brian White. And she said that there are other ladies who are there. They are sexually abused, they are tortured, every evil is done on them. They can't run away. There is lockdown, but they are tortured day and night. They can't do anything. Right Honorable Speaker, at a time when we are fighting modern day slavery, and such things are happening, we have been receiving these videos, Right Honorable Speaker, from outside Uganda. But now this is something that is happening from Uganda. The lady was revealing that there are people who are in the business of getting the girls. They can't sell them to rich men so that they sexually abuse them and take advantage of other things. Right Honorable Speaker, this is an abuse of human rights, and we feel as Parliament we must pronounce ourselves on this. And Right Honorable Speaker, our prayers are, one, the Committee of Human Rights takes interest in this issue and immediately investigate so that we can have the culprits brought to book, Right Honorable Speaker. Secondly, Right Honorable Speaker, we have the Minister of Internal Affairs, including the police. We have the Minister of Children Affairs. I normally see Honorable Natural Chinji here, Right Honorable Speaker. I wonder whether the Minister of Internal Affairs can't really discover this. These people were investigating, and we are even interviewing some other people who are giving answers in their own way they wish, lavishly and without any sympathy, Right Honorable Speaker. So, Right Honorable Speaker, I request this Parliament, with your office that has been seen championing the cause for women, fighting for the rights of women and every human being, that you take it up and we see justice brought for these people. Thanks, Right Honorable.
Members, the Committee on Human Rights of this House is directed to take an interest in that issue, go and visit the place, get information, and come back and give us a report. If we could have it before the close of the session, we'd really be very happy. Thank you. Honorable Atkins.
Currently, Parliament is reviewing what we call modern day slavery that is going on. Embere yokukwata abantu bateeka mu buddu nga mubakozesa ebintu bingi nnyo. Ne mu bino tutwaliramu n'abantu abakozesa abakyala ne ba-exploitinga ne babakozesa nga sex slaves. Now, Joe eriyo media station yabadde running program. Netulaga omwana omuwala bamuyita Stella Nandaula. Ng'omwana akaaba agamba njagala committing suicide. Kyankutteko nnyo ng'agamba njagala committing suicide. Abazadde bange baabasiba. Ensonga eyabasibya lwakuba nayogerayoko nze bankwata bantwala tulina abantu eriyo ekikosi ky'abantu mu Kampala nti bajja ne recruiting abawala ne bagamba tukutwalayo omusajja omugaga agenda kuyamba agenda kukolera kino na kiri bw'otuuka eyo omusajja akuteeka mu nnyumba n'atandika okukozesa okuexploitinga sexually n'akuharasinga buli kimu n'akikusubjectingako. So omwana oyo yabadde ayogera buli kimu n'agamba amaka ge baamuteekamu ga mwami gwe bayita Brian Chirumira. Yoyo gwe bayita Brian White n'agamba bankwatira wano sisobola kufuluma eriyo lockdown buli kimu bakinkozesa. Yagambye buli kikyamu ky'omanyi mu nsi muno bakinkolako n'abantu abalala nti tebasobola kwogerera tebasobola kuvaayo. Nze nfunye omukisa n'envaayo naye tuli abawala bangi be bakozesa ebintu ebikyamu. So nze kwe kujja wano ng'omuntu alwanira human rights ne tusaba ffe tulina committee ya human rights wano ku Parliament nempita mu speaker nemusaba committee ya human rights taking that matter seriously immediately egende efuna omuwala oyo efuna abantu abo erabe bwe baleeta ku buku kubanga abantu tebajja kubeera exploited wano lw'okuba abamu banene lw'okuba abamu balina ssente lw'okuba abamu balina abantu be baagala okukola ki okukozesa. Tulina okulwanirira rights z'abaana, tulina okulwanirira rights z'abawala, tulina okulwanirira rights za buli omu nga omuntu tebamukozesa bukozesa ng'omuddu mu nsi ye. Ebyo tukoma biwulira Saudi Arabia, mu nsi ziri endala nawaawa simanyi Jordan obutambi bwe baweereza. Tetwagala bibeere mu nsi eno gye bayita Uganda.
Stella Nandaula. I am by the age of 29 years old. My father is Rwandese and my mother is Ugandan. I came to Uganda in search of good pastures through one man called Chirabira Edison. Apparently he's a broker of women. He sells women to rich men. So he sold me to one Mr. Chirumira Brian, who is my current boss right now. I've been battered and bruised. I've taken abortions a couple of times. Yes. He has threatened my life a couple of times. But whoever sees this video, please help me clear my name. Mr. Jose Chameleon, please help me clear my name. Vivian Mutanda, Daisy Narunga, all you people have caused me bitterness in my life. You've brought me so much pain. But my heart forgives. This is a suicidal video. I'm about to commit suicide because I'm done. My family is tired of bailing me out. My mother was taken to prison. My father, my sister. Simply because this man has money and power. He doesn't have money and power. Today I've been beaten, I've been bruised. I have a concussion in my head. I don't know what to do. I'm in a house. I cannot scream for help. I cannot do anything. I was brought here out of my own. It was not my own will, but nobody can understand. I was forced to say whatever I had to say out of duress. I'm not here on my will, but I have nobody to help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. I'm dead. I'm being used. I'm pregnant. I'm gonna lose it. I just want to commit suicide. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. This man has just slept with me.